In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your center console lid, located right here on the top of your center console. This fits the Ford Explorer. Simply grab your console lid, pop that out. On the bottom side of the console right here, you're going to find 3 Phillips head screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver. Simply loosen and remove these screws. Go ahead and remove that lid. Grab your new lid. There are 2 little buttons here to line up with the hinge plate. Go ahead and work that into place. Install your 3 screws. Once these are in, we'll go ahead and snug them all down. Just going to apply a little bit of pressure on that lid to hold it there while we tighten these down. Now once these screws bottom out, you're pretty good. You don't have to torque these or anything. Once you're all set, go ahead and button that down and dispose of the old lid.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.